Good afternoon. My name is Kaya Molase. I'm from South Africa in Pietermaritzburg, in a small village called Esnatingi. In South Africa, we have a group of people, Nguni people. Out of Nguni people, we split into four. All four of us, you'll find us in the eastern part of South Africa. In a province, we call it Eastern Cape. We have Xhosa people, like the late Nelson Mandela. He came from the group of the Xhosa people. In a province called KwaZulu-Natal, it's also found on the eastern part of South Africa. You have the Zulus, AmaZulu. Nina benkashana ngamizi yakithi eyaphuza umlaza kameva zonke iziza ukuza ukulila. Those are the Zulu people. And then we move to the Mpumalanga province, next to Kruger National Park. We have another group of people. They call themselves Ndebele, the Ndebele people. They're located in Mpumalanga province. All of us, we fall under one group. There is something common with the Nguni people. We have a clicky sound. They are also well-known people in South Africa. We call them the Khoisan, the Bushmen, with the clicky sound, the beautiful click sound they produce. So all four of us, we have a click in the letter P, like pa. Ipapa, ipedi, ipagapaga, impempe. We also have a letter C. Icansi, ucansi, icici, ngiyacela, casuka, canasa, ca, ci, co, cu. All letter C. And then we move to letter X. We say ucamu, ucagegile, ca, ci, co, cu. That letter X. So I'll move to letter Q. Iqanda, an egg, we call an egg iqanda. You know, qa, qi, o, ku. Qanasa, uqaqekile. That's very interesting one also. Letter Q. Water bonita, jump the fence. Uqamu weqa ucingo. Water monitor, jump the fence. Uqamu weqa ucingo. Uqamu weqa ucingo. Igqirha lendlela nguqongqothwane. Uqamu uxakekile. Iqaqa alizizwa ukunuka. Okay, so any questions? Khona mbuzo khona. Do you have any questions? If you have any question, share with me. I'm happy to answer you. Thank you. Nisale kahle.